So this part of the build, I was trying to make sure the last piece of cladding on the rear wall was sitting flush on the tiny house. But as you can see, there's way too much house wrap at the top, so it was jutting out a bit too much. I trimmed off the excess house wrap that I could and stapled it back in place. It still wasn't perfect, and I did the really bad thing of comparing it to the cladding at the other side, which was the original side, so that went in a lot easier, and I was a bit disheartened, to say the least, with my current efforts of this corner. So here I've cut off another piece of cladding, like this, the tongue, and I slot that into the end of the rear cladding, which is what I can then build off this next section of wall off. But I'm still not happy with it because at this point it wasn't sitting flat at the top, and there was a gap due to the rear wall cladding not sitting flush at the back of the tiny house. So I had a fun couple of hours trying to sort that out. I was beginning to get a bit frustrated at this point. And now you can see the next section of cladding is now on. My boss turned up and altered what I'd done. It still doesn't sit perfectly, which kind of made me feel a bit better, so that I wasn't completely failing, and we were able to move on with the rest of the cladding. So, today we're going to do a bit more cladding. We've done this end, and now we need to do that bit there, just above the wheel arch. So that's the plan for today. It's about late afternoon now, so we'll see what else we can get done.